Today we're going to talk about our day 2 lower body circuit. It is 3 exercises, 0 bands. But the one thing that I really need you guys to pay attention to is really making sure your legs are locking out when they're supposed to be locking out, toes staying forward the entire time, and our hips sitting down. So the first thing that we're going to work on is our pivot squat. So whenever we get into our pivot squat, we're going to be super wide, okay, just as if we were to do a lateral lunge. Our toes are forward. If I'm going to my right side, I'm going to lock my knee out. So this is my starting position. So pivot squat, we're going to start in this wide out position. I'm going to go to my right, I'm going to lock my left leg out and push over to the side. Notice my knee is still over my toe, my toes are up. I'm going to stay down and I'm just going to bend my left knee and then push over and go to my right. So these are your pivot squats. Imagine doing this underneath like a big board and you can't stand up. So you're going to go to each direction 5 times. Toes up, butt back, lock those knees out. And then the next exercise that we are going to do is our drop lunge. We have already done drop lunges in place. So what that looks like, and you can use your mat for that back knee. And what I always do is wherever that mat is, if we're going to start with our left leg, I'm going to go ahead and put my foot forward. So whenever I go to drop, my knee is dropping down. So notice both of my toes are forward. I'm going to sit straight down, curtsy, and then I'm going to stand back up. This is a difference compared to what we were doing in the very beginning. So you're going to step back, sit down, stand up, and pull with that front leg. So step back, under control, chest up, butt down, stand up, and pull. Last time we stayed in place, but now we're actually going to move. And so then you're going to go to the other leg. Again, focusing on toes forward, right toe forward, step back in that 45-degree angle, both toes are forward, sit down, knees are forward, step up and pull with that right leg. So whatever leg is forward, you are going to pull hard with this leg to move forward. What I do not want to see is this. This just turns into a normal lunge. That's not the muscles we're working on. We're working on our glutes. So toes are forward, sit straight down and pull. So again, make sure that that motion is under control. Now, this is a fun one. Your parents are going to want to watch this one. I always loved watching this one. I'm hoping I can demo it for you. But what we're going to do is we're going to start in a split squat position. This is our forward lunge with our knee drive, okay? So we are going to start in a lunge position. We are going to drive up with our knee and then control on our back down. So we're going to start with our left leg, toes up, hips down, chest up. So just like when we're running, our arms are up, opposite arm, opposite leg. So we're going to start in this lunge position, drive from our front leg and knee up, toes up, resist on the way back down. It's a lot of balance. Knee drive up, knee up, toe up, use those arms, drive back down. So staying under control, remember, explosive on the way up, resist on the way down, okay? And then we're going to do the same thing with the opposite leg. We're going to start in that split squat. You will notice one leg is easier than the other, so you have more balance. So drive that knee up, resist on the way down, chest up, butt down the entire time. Opposite knee, hammer that elbow back, knee up, toe up, step back, resist, okay? So you guys have 5 of those on each leg. So today it's about balance, it's about being under control and making sure that you are in good posture.